The common dwarf mongoose uses territorial behavior to reduce intrapacific competition. Common dwarf mongoose mark their territory with scent secretions from glands. They also mark each other with these secretions, which is a process known as allomarking. This allows members of the group to recognize one another. One example of potential disruption is when their territories may often overlap slightly with other groups of mongoose. This can lead to confrontations between the different groups, with the larger group tending to win. The adaptive advantage of this territorial behavior for the mongoose is that less confrontation with other mongoose groups occur. This conserves energy, resulting in more energy input and less energy output.
The purpose of this behavior is to reduce intraspecific competition between the male dragonets for breeding. There is a dominance hierarchy formed where members of a social group interact, often aggressively, to create a ranking system. This occurs in this case as a result of a competition for limited mating opportunities. The dragonets act extremely aggressively towards each other, with actions such as chasing and biting if two males are both close to a female during pairing. These fights are often very intense. If another male is recognized near its breeding site, male dragonets will rush towards its rival and attack it, leading to the death of one of the dragonets involved. This means that a higher mortality rate can be found in males than females, and that the highest mortality rates in males occur during the breeding period. One example of potential disruption by another species could be due to predation. The likelihood of the survival of the dragonets is greatly reduced with the male population decreasing as a result of the competition for breeding. This increases the risk of predation and possibly the amount of injury suffered. The adaptive advantage of this hierarchical behavior for the male dragonets is that there will be a reduction in the number of other male dragonets. This means that its chances of breeding will increase dramatically and that less energy is required to attract female attention. This results in more energy input and less energy output.